Hi guys, this picture you're seeing here in the screen, this is the picture that I took, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it too by yourself. This is DB from DB Photography. Okay, how you see in the screen, you have this wine that I took, this wine photo that I took, and this is what's my setting. You can see right here I got the wine. I have one softbox. The reason why I got a board right here in the middle is that way the wine will get you seen the light coming through here and here in the sides. It was like that from both sides. How you can see that they give it a better thing. That's in case you only have one softbox. This is something you can do yourself at home, easy. I got a flashlight, flash in the back. I go this flash. I got the Godox trigger right here. I got my Sony A7 Mark II, and the setting that I have there for the camera is f10. ISO is 160. The shutter speed is 1/200 of a second. I got an auto white balance. I got a manual focus. I manual focus. By the way, this lens is the 50 millimeter f 1.8, the full frame one for this camera. Also, you need a tripod. I have it on a tripod, as you can see, and I also have my remote, wireless remote for the camera, and also I got another flash. It's this flash. I show you this flash. This is a great flash, and this flash power right here is 1/28 of a second. That's the power, and I put it off so that way it don't shut down. And the other one is 1/32 of a second. That's on the softbox. So now I'm gonna take the first picture, which is only gonna give the rim lights on the side on the bottom. So here we go, and how you can see there in the stream, that's a nice shot with the rim. Now I'm gonna go and use this flash to fill out a little bit here, and then there and top and then the bottom, and then I will edit this picture and show you some of the process, not the whole thing. So if you like this, please subscribe, comment, leave your comment, please. If you want to see more about this content like that and tutorial, please leave thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Anyway, let's get started. So here I'm coming and hit the flash that way so the light hit there. I'm sorry, I'm gonna go through this side. Sorry about that. Now I'm doing the same thing right here. That's giving a little light, how you can see in the picture that I'm posting every time. You can see there. Now I'm gonna check my camera to make sure that this don't show. It's just to give a little light there, and I want it like go around here, and then I hit the trigger. There you go. Now I'm gonna put it up here. Now you can see. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, sorry about that. And what I'm gonna do is put it right about here, and that gives some of the light there. I'm gonna go like this also too. Just to give it a light there, you know. Anyway, those are the pictures. Something simple and easy you can do. Just use one flash here and one flash in the back with one softbox, and the board that you put, and a little stand, or you can put a books, whatever. Here I got some books and a glass, and I put the bottom there. Something you can try and do at home, simple, easy. Please subscribe, leave your comment. Until next time, I'm your host DB from DB Photography. Take care. See ya. Hi guys, these are the photos we took. You can see them here. These are the same photos, and here are the stuff we did. And now I pick a couple of these, and then I send them to Photoshop where I did this. You can see here I brighten in on the side, the sign. I did this, a little bit more light here. Then we did this, you know, darken everything there. Then did that. I made a copy and bring it down so it looked good. And now that's all I've done. That's all that it was there done. And then I'm gonna send it to Lightroom and the final product. I may put a gradient filter there. I don't know. I haven't decided. So that's all.